Okay, so I showed you the CFP90, the pack. If you haven't seen that, go back to that video. It's the video before this one. That is a heavy-duty load carrier. This one is an everyday lighter carrier. This is an old-school Camelbak HAWG. You can pick these up on eBay all day long. They run anywhere from, I'd say, 45, 50 bucks to, well, I've got a camouflage one in there that I bought a long time ago, and right now they're selling on eBay for around 200 bucks. It's the M81 military woodland. This is a light pack. Not light now that I've loaded it, but on the outside I've got a GMRS radio. In fact, I have two. That way I can give it to somebody if I'm with somebody. A bandana. This is, I think, 21 or 25 liters. It's small, but you can still stuff a lot of stuff in it. Okay, and this is just a get-home bag. This is a quick, easy get-home bag. The only thing I'm missing is the compass. I left it out on purpose because I just didn't want to go grab it from the other pack. Sleeping bag, two-person sleeping bag. Okay, it's always me and my wife, so I always carry two-person tent. Emergency food rations. This is 3,600 calories. This will get you through a couple days. Peanut butter and jelly squeeze packs. I've shown you this. This is my do everything kit in a Camelbak fatty. Okay, this pretty much takes care of just about anything I need, and it's got tinder tabs in here too, and the knife sharpener and a razor knife. It's got everything that you could possibly need, and a key keeper so you can keep an extra key if you want, and some Purell to start fires too. So it all helps. Okay. Wound seal. Okay, this is like quick clot. No matter where you go, if you're going to go prospecting, if you're going to go camping, you should have some. Okay. Just a little first aid boo-boo kit. I haven't had to use it, so I haven't opened it. Folded flat toilet paper without the roll in the middle. I highly recommend carrying these. They're hot hands hand warmers. You can buy a case of them dirt cheap, or you can buy them expensively at the sporting goods store. But anyway, they will keep your hands warm, and if you put them in your pockets, it'll warm you up too in the meantime. Rescue mask. I usually carry that for CPR, if you have a CPR, because I don't necessarily want to put my mouth on somebody else's nowadays. A ferro rod, a Klein, it's like a 6-in-1 screwdriver, because you never know what you're going to need to fix or come across. What else is here? All right, some off, because it's mosquito season up here, and a snake bite kit. Now this is an old school snake bite kit, and it's got the squeezy suction thing. They don't recommend you using this for like a rattlesnake bite anymore, but I have used it when I got bit by a black widow spider, and I was able to use it right away. I got bit on the hand. You don't cut anything, you just keep sucking the stuff out. And when I went to the emergency room, because it was it was a good-sized black widow, I had no symptoms, and they said that they couldn't believe it. And then when I told them what I did, they said that was really smart, because it does suck the poisons out, because the black widow wound is not like a rattlesnake. It doesn't inject deep. So it saved me. I have a life straw, more bug spray, a flashlight, a miniature drive, little SanDisk drive for all my documents and any pictures that I might want to put on. Paracord, that's about 100 feet. Another hand warmer. But those things come in real handy when you're cold. You'll be thankful that you got those. A titanium spork. I like this one because I can dig into a jar rather than the little cheap KRT or CRKT. Waterproof matches. I have 2 of those. I have a whistle. A charger in case I find somewhere I can plug in. My electrical tape. And a battery bank. That and a New Testament. Okay. What else do I have here? Pill bottle in case I find anything interesting, and a space blanket. So that's pretty much it for that. And I wanted to make this just a quick short video. Oh, and a charging cord. Just a quick short video to show you guys what you can and can't carry if you have to. And this thing does have the bladder in it with the hose. So before I go anywhere, if I had to, get home, I would find some source of water. And I can either carry a Sawyer Mini or the Grail with an attachable pouch. I can get an attachable pouch over here on the side from either Maxpedition or Rothko, and put the Grail in it. And that will give me a water filter system that I can fill this bladder up with. But if I'm, leaving the city, there will be places that I can fill it with fresh water before I leave. So this is just a, it's a light pack, something quick to get in and out, and definitely something that you guys should look at now. It's made by Camelbak. It's called the HAWG, HAWG. I like the old ones because it's got the pouch in the front here, but it's not so big that it throws your weight off, because it's just a little bit down on the lower part. It's not up on top. It's a great pack, and it's worth looking at. So anyway, with that, Patriot Zero out.